Water, water everywhere, not a drop to drink. Water, water everywhere, all the boat did sink. These lines of poet Coleridge aptly sum up the situation in Jammu and Kashmir, where people are surrounded by water from all directions but are still deprived of safe drinking water and food after the floods ravaged the state. Hope is the only thing that they are left with. A hope that the victims have for rehabilitation and a hope that the army, NDRF and other rescue teams have of saving as many lives as they can. A report from submerged Srinagar. These houses, which look nothing more than plastic toys or maybe reward symbols for the game of housey, were once enchanting abodes of some locals in Srinagar, which is one of the most famous tourist spots in Jammu and Kashmir. Today, the inhabitants of these houses are either finding shelter in relief camps or houseboats in the district. On the other hand, rescue teams have resolved to put out every single victim from the deluge. They are working day and night and are ready every moment to ensure that hopes of stranded people do not die down. IG Kashmir Abdul Ghani Mir said his officers will not leave out any place in Srinagar for rescue of people.
देखिए, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने रिलीफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के लिए एक मैकेनिज्म सेटअप किया है और रिलीफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो रहा है. अब ये बहुत ही अंदर बहुत सारी जगहों से अभी तक पानी नहीं निकला है और जहाँ से पानी नहीं निकला है वहाँ बोट के ज़रिए, एनडीआरएफ की बोट के ज़रिए या जितने भी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने मास्टर की हैं बोट्स कमांडर किए हैं उनके ज़रिए रिलीफ बांटा जा रहा है और कोशिश की जा रही है कि हर जगह रिलीफ पहुँच जाए. और उसमें कुछ चूँकि इतने ज़्यादा इलाके पानी के नीचे हैं, हो सकता है कई कई जगह पर नहीं पहुँचा होगा, आज नहीं पहुँचा होगा या कल नहीं पहुँचा होगा. कोशिश की जा रही है कि हर जगह रिलीफ पहुँच जाए.
Air Officer Commanding Upkarjit Singh said, "The hopes of survival and a reflection of faith on the faces of people waiting in queues to get inside a rescue helicopter is what keeps his teams going up."
Actually, you're very right that for the last 1 week or so we have been at it, and a large number of helicopter and transport sorties have been flown. Just to give you an idea, as of maybe late last evening, we have done something like 700 sorties by now. A mixture of helicopters and transport flying, and let me get the data right, absolutely. We have flown in about 1100 tons of material into the valley, that is both Srinagar and Avantipur put together, and deployed a large number of about 400 people from the police, about another 200 to 300 people, personnel from others, NDRF and other agencies have also been deployed at various locations where they were required to be.
National Disaster Response Force Director General O.P. Singh said, apart from rescuing the victims, his teams are also ensuring that the people in relief camps get food, water and medicines on time.
और हमारी टीम्स जो है दिन और रात दोनों वक्त काम कर रही है. कभी कभी नाइट ऑपरेशंस भी करने पड़ रहे हैं कुछ लोगों को बचाने के लिए, और अब हम लोगों ने रिलीफ वर्क पे ज़्यादा कंसंट्रेट किया है और हम राहत सामग्री लोगों तक पहुंचा रहे हैं और उनको मेडिसिन्स दे रहे हैं, उनको खाने का सामान दे रहे हैं, वाटर बॉटल दे रहे हैं, इन सब चीज़ों को दे रहे हैं.
Powered by NNIS.